Howdy, this is Ranger. Welcome to the Lumberjack Square in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. The legend was out here fairly recently, but he didn't do some of these attractions, so I thought I'd come back here and give you the in-depth tour of what we've got going on here. So the Lumberjack Feud Show and Adventure is the full name of this place. There is a show over here, a lumberjack show, where they do the log rolling and the axe cutting of the trees and all that fun lumberjack stuff. You can get combo passes to do both attractions or just do one or the other. But there's the prices for the combo pass. If you want to do just the adventure park, it's $35, although there are discounts available in coupon books, which you can find at hotels and restaurants. So the first thing you do at the adventure park is this ropes course. This is a brutally difficult ropes course. I haven't done a lot of these. I've done about 4 of them. This is by far the most difficult one that I've done. So bring your A game here. Stop number 2 is this log rolling station. They give you these water socks that you can wear. And so then they put you on these here, so then you can walk across these logs. This is also very difficult. It's very, very hard to stay balanced. And we found the easiest way to get across here is actually just to run as fast as you can, hit it full speed. So the next stop is a second log roll station. And these you can actually roll all the way around. You can get on it with your friends, try to force them off if you want to. But again, it's very, very difficult to stay balanced and to roll these. The next stop is these vertical climbing poles. These are about 25 feet tall. You can see we have these steps that you can grab and pull yourself up. It is actually fairly easy. If you're good at climbing towers, you'll have no problem completing this task. The crown jewel of this park certainly is the Zipline Coaster. They strap you in up here and then push you off this ramp. It's not very scary to get started. Then you go around this full helix here, and then you start swinging around pretty crazily. I mean, I think this is probably more undulations than, say, like the Big Bad Wolf. I never rode that, unfortunately, but you swing back and forth all the way down until you hit this turnaround. You go through the ropes course, look down and see people climbing on there, and then the best part of this ride certainly is this drop. You get a little bit of floater air here as you hit your maximum top speed on your way to the brake run here. This isn't a super tremendous ride. It's kind of short, but it really is pretty unique, though. It's a nice little different kind of attraction here in Pigeon Forge. Also up here, we have these free falls. It's a controlled fall. You step off of the edge and then you fall straight down, although it's at a pretty slow speed. There's 2 up here. The one on the far side here is the one we did. And so then this one they actually said was better, but it was down. They said this one was better because you free fall 10 feet before it finally catches you, and then it's faster on its way down. Overall here, we had a pretty good time here at the Lumberjack Feud. It was $30 to do all these attractions. You can go for an hour and a half to 2 hours. So I feel that's actually a pretty good deal compared to some of the other attractions here. The theming certainly is good. I mean, you have the Lumberjack theme throughout with the trees and the logs, and naturally this pyramid back here. It makes perfect sense. But yeah, definitely a winner of attraction here. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. This is Ranger signing off.